Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com, joins us now for a closer look at a couple of stocks that have earnings this week and next week. We'll start with Visa.
Yeah, Visa has earnings this week. It has had a recent pullback from this 142.5 level, currently trading at 138.5. We have seen the market dip right around this 1400 level. Obviously, these stocks are going to move with the stock market, so Visa moves with it. I always talk about the banks, how I'm not a big fan of the banks, but if I had to own a bank, I would do it in the form of a credit card company. So that's looking at American Express, Visa, and MasterCard. So on this pullback, I think it's a good opportunity to get into a position. All the moving averages are way, way lower around this $100 level. If we look at the chart, looks very, very strong since June. It's been a straight bull channel going higher. I think it's going to test up to 142.5. I think it could even hit 145.
And what about Priceline? Earnings are not for a week or so. They're coming out the Monday before the election. But I wanted to note this stock because it definitely got a boost on Friday off of Expedia's better than expected numbers. What do you think about this stock?
Yeah, I mean, Priceline is a little pricey compared to Expedia. On earnings, it has a PE of about 24. Expedia, even with that huge pop, has a PE around 21. In 2011, it couldn't get through this 550 level, and it tested it probably about 6 times in 2011. What is resistance becomes support, support comes resistance. So it tested this 550 level to the downside just recently. Expedia had good earnings. Priceline is going to get a pop with it. Last time it gapped down on earnings. A lot of times I look at the option market to imply how much the stock is going to move. The at the money straddle is $60, so that's implying the stock is going to go to $520 or higher up to the $640 level. I think the chart looks pretty bearish. Even though Expedia had good earnings, Expedia has beat the last 2 times earnings and rallied. I think Priceline's actually going to sell off, and I think it has a date with around 500.
That'll be interesting. Good to have you on the show this morning. That is Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com.